Alright, here I'm going to be calibrating this temperature sensor. I've got a heat safe beaker here. Put about 1800 milliliters in this thing. And I bought this little burner on Amazon. It's about a 6-inch diameter there. So I think the beaker's like 4.5, 5 inches. Anyway, I got the biggest beaker that I could. And I just have a little rig here. This is like a glass thermometer. Just have it set up there. So right now it's reading about 76 degrees. Those are 2-degree increments. And this is a Fahrenheit thermometer, glass thermometer. So the plan is you got to keep this thing like submersed in water up to that line right there, or in fluid. And the plan is to heat this up. This is a simple thermistor sensor. So I have basically like a low pass filter here, and then a 1K resistor back to the Arduino. Yeah, like a little voltage divider circuit, pretty basic stuff. So the Arduino will read the voltage in on A0, and I'm just powering this circuit with the 5 volts off the board. Here I just have some serial monitoring. So right now it's coming in at about 543. I mean, sorry, screen keeps adjusting. So it's coming in at about 543, and code's pretty simple. I mean, it's just a simple serial begin 9600 and then a loop analog reading out the A0. So I'll just come over here and do 543, and then that's the Arduino reading, and the thermometer is reading 76 degrees right now. So the data sheet for this sensor said that it should be linear, like 20 millivolts for every degree Fahrenheit. That should give me, I think the Arduino can read 10 millivolts increments, and so that's its precision. So I should be able to get like a half a Fahrenheit accuracy, but I don't really need that. I mean, for my application, I'm gonna make a little transmission pump fan controller. So if I'm within a degree or two, I mean, that's gonna be more than enough, you know. So anyway, I'm gonna kick this thing on and put it on high because there's a decent amount of water in there. And this burner does get quite hot. I've tested it, and it will boil water, which is pretty nice. I wanted to get the biggest beaker that I could possibly get so that I would utilize as much of the energy as possible from this thing. You know, I'm trying to keep these wires away here so it doesn't touch anything, but not too worried about it. I don't think it's going to be an issue. So, you know, I'm just going to sit here and follow this thing, and as the temperature increases there, I'll come over here and I'll record my readings in the Fahrenheit that's showing up on the thermometer. And that's how you calibrate a sensor with Arduino. If it's linear, I'll probably just be able to come up with a very simple equation. And yeah, cut down on a lot of code. If it's not linear, I'll probably have to have like a lookup table, or find some sort of equation that's close enough. But anyway, that's how you calibrate a sensor with Arduino.